Hey guys, it's Ben. Last night I went to go for a drive and blew my alternator belt. Today we've come out, the bolt on the front of the bracket that holds the alternator snapped, and that's what's let the belt go. This is like the third time now the belt's broken and it's been doing my head in. I haven't been able to get proper adjustment like I used to be able to. So anyway, so I've taken the bracket in to make it nip on nostalgic today. Had a bit of a dig around and found a slightly different bracket that looks like it's going to give me more adjustment. I think it's the bracket that used to be on it and it's the bracket that I need. So we're going to whack that all back together now. Hopefully that'll fix all my problems. So let's see how we go. Right. So this is the new bracket. It's missing all this bit here. The other one, all this is solid across here, and the alternator won't fold into there close enough to the engine, and that's why I wasn't getting any adjustment. And because it's all a bit tight in the 120Y engine bay, it was really hurting everything. So this is hopefully going to solve all my problems. There's the alternator waiting to go back in. Here's my collection of new old stock, new used belts. Then we've got all the tools we're going to need. The camera mount there. Of course we've got the 120Y, which we're going to jam it all back down in there somewhere. So we'll set up the camera and we'll hook in, eh? Alright, so no go, because the bracket's different, the bolts are too long. Let's go see what spare bolts we can find. Alright, so it took a little bit of digging, but here we go. I found 3. So anyway, stick them in. Woohoo! That's the line from the alternator. It's still got power from the battery. Guess there's a good lesson. Disconnect your battery, because this one here with the rubber on it, it's live. Stay out of the way. Over there somewhere. So that's the new alternator bracket in. As you can see with that cutout, it's going to let the alternator come up closer towards the engine block there. So now we've got to jam the alternator back down through this tight hole there where I just struggled to get the phone out of. Bolt it back in and we're laughing. And then we've got to pick a belt. Almost done. The alternator, all the bottoms bolted in tight. I've got to find a longer bolt for this top one because I borrowed the bolt for the bottom bracket, which I had to pack out a little bit. Let's see if I can see in there a bit. You can see I had to put a spacer in there to pack that out, but now she's all sweet. It's all nice and straight. Everything's looking really good. So I'll find this longer bolt, tension this belt up, and hopefully that is the end of our alternator problems. Let's go look for another bolt. Alright! Dirty old thing will do us. Re-edit. Where was he pushing? There. Hold that for me. Cool. That's through. Threads through the nylock. Done. Good. Alright, so that's it. It fucking cost me a couple knuckles and shit even, but it's fucking done. Hopefully no more problems now. We can just get back to driving. See you later.